Hello and welcome to our PATTOON Overview. The main feature of PATTOON is applying textures to layers directly in After Effects. PATTOON also comes with a built-in library, so you can build up and customize your own graphics directly in PATTOON in After Effects. To import graphics, you simply click the Show Folder in US button, and you can use your local operating system to drag and drop artworks into your folder structure. Additional to the textures in your library, you can also use compositions, movie clips or layers as texture for your artwork. If you like to use movie clips or compositions or layers as texture for your artwork, you simply switch from source, file to layer. In this case, we have a video clip as artwork for our text layer. It renders real time, up to 32 bits. And of course you can manipulate that regarding scaling and color, rotation, offset, and whatever you like to. A very handy feature is the option to use Photoshop patterns direct in After Effects. You can import native Photoshop PAT files into PATTOON and use the textures in your motion design. To use Photoshop patterns, you simply browse your library, go to your PATTOON main folder, go to your PS Patterns folder, paste your PAT file, in our case it's Grungy Stripes PAT. If you now refresh your library, you will see in the library your PS Patterns Grungy Stripe, and if you click on that, you have all the patterns from the PAT file. Simply click on that and apply that to your artwork. It's easy as that using Photoshop patterns in PATTOON. A very creative feature is the direct integration of Adobe's Capture app. With this app on your mobile device, you can create stunning patterns in your real-world environment and use them immediately in After Effects for your motion design. This is the Adobe Capture app. In this app, you have the option to do patterns on your mobile device. You have different options regarding the structure of the pattern. You can tap the screen to freeze and to manipulate the picture regarding color, light, and structure. If you're fine with that, simply save the image and you're done. It takes up to 5 minutes and you have access to that immediately in PATTOON in After Effects with no extra synchronization. After we took our picture on our mobile device with the Capture app, this is my patterns library and this is the last picture we already took. And if you go to PATTOON, only 1 minute later, you click this little thumbnail here, you browse to your cloud library, in our case it's PATTOON, and all patterns we already did, including the last one already here, simply click on this pattern and you have it applied to your layer in After Effects. If you have several masks on a single layer, PATTOON gives you access to each mask individually. So you have the option to texturize each mask on its own as you like it. In this case, we have 4 masks on a single layer and we applied PATTOON to this layer. And now here in the section masks, you have access to each mask individually. So if you use mask 1, it applies only the patterns to mask number 1. The full version of PATTOON comes with over 200 textures and images and a bunch of presets that helps you kickstart your work with PATTOON. All in all, PATTOON is a multifunctional plugin that gives you a ton of creative options and will help you to boost your daily workflow.